Batch number J35A wafer-001 confirmed.
Confirmed.
Wash cycle parameters are nominal. Check the conductivity.
Stable. We're cleared for transfer to the dryer unit. Inside the sterile clean room, a specialized robotic wet bench system sequentially immerses.
Looks like a positive verification on the alloy sheets. Process A is confirmed.
Green light confirmed. Committing the wafers to process B.
Yield looks good on this wafer, only 3 failures in the quadrant.
Confirmed. The J35A core is ready for dicing.
We have reached peak pressure. Confirmed. Zero pressure decay.
The uniformity across the core is excellent.
The thermal gradients are well within spec. It confirms the efficiency.
DLX. The LCHEU is moved into a clean spray booth where robotic nozzles inject a proprietary, transparent.
Verification complete. All parameters confirmed against 3D CAD model.
Alignment on the baffles looks nominal.
Confirmed. Documenting consistency now.
Process A is fully reconciled, Manager, ready for final confirmation.
Looks good. Inventory confirmed.
System audit passed. LCHEU batch complete. Access granted. Process B initiated. LCHEU storage status update. Available for integration. Transfer records validated. The batch is accounted for.
Sealed, protective cassettes containing 300mm gallium arsenide silicon wafers are unlocked.
This physical transfer of data ensures the mission computer core SAC.
The mission computer core chips enter the multi-zone reflow oven, where controlled heat profiles ensure robust electrical.
A precision robot applies a microscopic layer of thermal paste to the MCC chip.
Core temperature nominal.
Affirmative. OS firmware load successful. System checks green.
Validation successful.
The successful convergence of Process A and Process B outputs is confirmed. The flight-ready components are...
The paired thermal management system arrives at the integration bay, representing the final logistical step for the J-35A.
Quality check complete. Process B is closed.
Got the scan right here. Moving to staging now.
Radio check, Bay 7. We are ready for the LCHEU alignment.
Copy that. Proceeding with transfer.
MCC serial number 49er Whiskey confirmed. Coding integrity nominal. Ready for installation.
MCC diagnostics are green. No anomalies detected.
Data streams convert 0 faults on the thermal system.
Integration is a success. Well done, team.
Ground, this is 35 Alpha. Clearance is confirmed. Ready for departure.
All systems nominal. Mission parameters confirmed. Climbing to assigned altitude.
Returning to base, the pilot relies on the continuous data from the mission computer core for a precise approach, highlighting the system's reliability.
As the stealth fighter taxis in, the sustained load capability is clear. The thermal platform ensures the mission computer core remains. The data logs confirm successful execution of all electronic warfare tasks. The system performance was consistent throughout the mission.